Welcome back to our Universal Day. How many things can we do at Universal in 2 or 3 hours?
Yeah, today we have a short time to be here. So yeah, like 2 or 3 hours. Let's see what we can do in that short period of time. Today we're focusing more on just Universal Studios side. We're not gonna go to islands, so just Universal. And we're back. Guys, today it's 74 degrees. It feels
so good.
Amazing.
It's great.
Amazing. Perfect park day.
We're getting today's cafe. This is the first time we ever came in here.
I've been dying to try it since I got here. I said it was good.
Oh, this is so cool. Some chocolate chip cookies.
Nutella puff. Oh my gosh, yo. First we got that. The chocolate spider cake with Oreo cream filling. I had to try it. We'll get that. The chocolate spider cake. I got it for us. I'm a sucker for acai bowls.
We got something here. It's cake.
So first, the acai bowl is amazing. I love it. It's gonna be for sure what I get all the time here. And then we got, it's like an HHN like treat. It's a spider cake with Oreo cream. It literally looks like a spider. Like it's weird. It's super cool. So Kenny's gonna try that.
What is that?
It's spider guts. Eat it. It's chocolate. You love chocolate. I'm the healthy one. I eat acai bowls and he eats a chocolate spider.
That's not bad. It's pretty good.
Oh.
It's like a cake.
Oh yeah.
Like a frosting of a cake.
Yeah, plumber. I like it.
Yeah.
More
It's really
fancy.
it's rich. It's good. I like it. I really like the Today Cafe. They have a bunch of pastries, Danishes, like a bunch. And they have sandwiches here that I really want to try.
It's like Vicky Bakery.
Yeah, it's like Vicky Bakery. Look guys, it's my dream car. And my friends. We have Scooby, Shaggy, and Velma. We just went into the Universal pass holder like club thing, and they have these pass holder shirts that are so
But they're Fortnite.
nice. Yeah, they're Fortnite. They're super cool. So for sure, we're gonna go back later before we leave because right now there's a big line.
Yeah.
So before we leave, we're gonna totally stop by there and get a shirt because they're super nice and they're only for pass holders. And this is my first HHN as a pass holder.
Me too. So.
What?
Yeah.
And, oh yeah, it's true! So for sure we have to come back and get that.
Usually don't come by this way. Like it separates like 3 passages. It's really nice.
Look at that, you have such a great view of like kind of like the whole park. Super cool. And then here they do a show during Horror Nights. It's awesome. See Fast and Furious. You see the dragon over there. Super cool. And look at my photographer. He's great. Today honestly feels so good. The weather is amazing. Like
Yeah, it's hot, but it's like windy hot, so it's like it's not that hot.
yeah, it's awesome.
It feels really good. It feels like a breeze, you know?
Yeah, it's not super hot. Something to know about Kenny is that his favorite smell is
the ET
is the ET smell. If you guys know what he's talking about, comment below. I don't know. He
It just has
says
a different smell. It smells so good in ET ride.
yeah. One time I bought him a candle that's literally the ET ride. So right now, first ride of the day is gonna be ET. We just finished ET.
It was great like always, you know, the smell's there, always. Great smell.
It's so cold. Like I think it was extra cold.
Yeah, it was
Look, you wanna get an
extra
icy? No lie.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
It was extra cold. I was freezing. Like as Kenny, I was literally like shivering.
Yeah, it was super
But
cold in there.
I love that ride. It's so fun. It's like what is it?
It's a classic.
It's a classic. So we got ourselves an icy and now we're just walking around. Right now we're in front of Diagon Alley. And I don't think we have anything planned. We're just like super chilling.
Just walking around, hanging out.
Yeah, today's a chill day. We're just looking.
And
We're walking ways that we never really walk. Big old bus. And update on the breeze.
There's no longer a breeze.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's gone.
That's Florida for you.
We're gonna get pizza, a slice of pizza.
It smells so good in here. We've never come in here before ever.
Yeah, and it's big too. Look how big it is.
Look, they have cheese pizza, garden pizza, pepperoni pizza. They have meatball subs, spaghetti and meatballs. They have fettuccine alfredo.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Look at that size of that pizza.
Pepperoni pizza, fries, and a salad for men.
Kenny's in heaven.
Best pizza, the whole Universal Studios Resort.
Let's see.
Try it.
Let's see.
It's like soft and it's just different.
That is so good. And I don't really like pizza. That's really good. If you want pizza, pasta, salad, meatball sub, come here. Universal Studios, Louis Italian restaurant. Amazing. Guys, look at that, the dough.
Look at the dough. It literally tastes like Cuban bread. Like exactly like Cuban bread. Look, this is where they make the dough. The dough is so good.
Guys, this is the front of the Italian restaurant. We went by the back. This is the front. It's right here. It's right in front of Starbucks.
Now those people, they don't remember NBC did start off as a radio company.
For the health and safety of everyone.
And then this is when we got the chimes. Ding, ding, ding.
Between you and other travel parties. And to wash
This is when we started color. Why did they choose the peacock so they could see all the colors in the spectrum? This is what you usually see before the Wonderful World of Disney.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Then very minimal in 59. Then like a trapezoid in 75. Then 80 kind of going back to the classic logo. And 86 basically what you know now.
Yeah.
And then they just cleaned it up for 2011.
Awesome.
Gramercy Park is a private residential park in New York, but when we opened, they're like, well, Gramercy Park is going to be open to everybody.
What the heck?
Pretty rock, but ours is rumored to be the center of Universal
Two parks, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's the center of both parks.
Of City Walk.
Yeah. That's crazy. Oh my god. What?
This is just where we like put the full transfers on. We put the wheelchair in that little contraption.
Ah.
So what we're gonna do? Okay, hold on. This first. So this is the guest book.
Oh my god.
And you guys are going to. What I guess the blank page. Oh, it's already full. Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Okay, anyway. I was gonna write that. You stole my. It's fine.
Alright, awesome.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna. So I'm gonna assume Florida.
Yeah, Miami.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
coming.
sweet, okay. We have this map here.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
maybe that one. A lot of people in Miami, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet, okay.
Yeah, we're all the way down there.
Oh my god, this map is like so. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Oh my
There it
god. Okay, that was crazy. So, I've seen Tim Tracker's one of my favorite YouTubers, so I stopped. I mean, I watched one of his videos and he did a backstage tour to be Fallon, but like, I didn't think they still do it. Or I thought they only do it for like, I don't know, Tim Tracker.
I thought it was only for like YouTubers.
Yeah, so I asked, I was like, hey, do you guys by any chance do any backstage tours? And he was like, do you want one? I was like, yeah. So they took us everywhere around Jimmy Fallon. They explained like all the history and stuff of Jimmy. It was so cool. We got to see like the view of like up there, up in the building. It was like awesome. Like we've never done a stage like a backstage tour, so that was awesome. They let us know that there was a few more backstage tours, so we're gonna go try to see Men in Black if they offer it, and if they do, then we're gonna do it. But it was super cool. We got a little like thank you, and then we got to sign the guest book, and we put the K&A away just to have our little YouTube thing there.
Yeah.
But that was such a cool experience. So let's see if we can do it for Men in Black. So we just asked the Men in Black. They said that right now they're not doing it. So that's fine. I mean, we have something to do next time we come. But right now we're walking to the Coke store. Not the Coke store, yeah. The Coca-Cola. We just tried Flavorween. So we just tried the Fanta Halloween mix. What is it? What is it?
No more Fanta.
Oh, it just had a nice name to it. Now we're on our way back to the Universal Annual Pass lounge to buy the Annual Pass shirts, and then I think we're gonna head out. It's been a really good day. It's just been relaxing, and we got to just walk around, walk some ways that we really never do, and then we got to do that backstage tour, which was awesome because we've never done that before.
She bought a shirt. It was a really nice shirt. It's for annual pass holders. It's a Horror Nights annual pass holder shirt. It's really nice.
It's all black.
It's a nice shirt, really nice. Let's show the back. Show the back. The back is dope.
Awesome.
Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. It's really nice.
Yeah, it has all the houses. It's super cool. I love it. If you're an annual pass holder, for sure come to the lounge. It's open till 4, so it's not open all day, but totally come. They have a bunch of stuff, and they have car magnets and stuff. Today they ran out of car magnets and pins, but she told us the date that they were stocking, so November 1st, hopefully we'll get some. Last little adventure before we leave. Okay, I think it's the Berlin Wall. Oh, don't quote me on that. But let's see if it's there. I mean, Love's gonna be there because he's posted it, but I've never seen it.
Berlin Wall.
So let's see it. So what I remember is just you're in front of the rock store, you just walk back there. What the heck? This is just so random here. Yeah, Berlin Wall. If you guys want to just pause and read.
August 1961, the famous symbol of the Cold War was...
Alright, we're at City Block, we're out. We're just saying that we'll be back for Horror Nights 31. But we'll also be back maybe next month.
Oh, in December.
In December.
Back December.
Yeah. Alright guys. We'll see you on our next video.
Make sure to like,
comment, and subscribe. Peace.